Dreaming of turning your creativity into cash? Whether you're an artist, crafter, or just someone with a great product idea, Etsy could be the perfect platform to launch your online business. And the best part? You can start with zero experience. In this video, we'll take you through a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to start selling on Etsy, from setting up your shop to attracting your first customers. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to get started, even if you've never sold anything online before. Today we're diving deep into Etsy and how you can start selling on the platform with zero experience. Trust me, if you've ever dreamed of turning your passion into profit, this is the place to start. We'll cover everything from setting up your Etsy shop, choosing what to sell, creating listings that stand out, and of course, how to attract your very first buyers. Etsy is an online marketplace that focuses on handmade, vintage, and unique items. It's a global platform, meaning your products can reach customers from all over the world. What makes Etsy special is its focus on craftsmanship, creativity, and personalization. So whether you're selling handmade jewelry, vintage clothing, digital downloads, or custom home decor, there's a place for you on Etsy. But why Etsy? Well, it's user-friendly, it's affordable to start, and you don't need to have any prior experience running an online business. Plus, Etsy has built-in traffic. People are already searching the platform for unique items, which means you don't need to start from scratch when it comes to finding customers. The first thing you need to figure out is what you want to sell. This can be a little tricky, but don't worry. I've got you covered with a few tips to help you decide. Start by asking yourself these questions. What are you passionate about or skilled at making? Do you have any hobbies that could be turned into a product? Are there any trends you've noticed that you could create a unique spin on? Etsy is full of opportunities, but the key is to find a niche that resonates with buyers. It's important to stand out in a sea of products, so think about ways you can personalize or add value to what you're selling. For example, if you love creating jewelry, could you offer custom engraving? Or if you're into graphic design, how about selling digital prints that buyers can download and print at home? The beauty of Etsy is that you don't need to overthink it. You can start small and experiment with different products. Remember, your first listings don't need to be perfect. It's more about getting started and refining as you go. Now that you've decided what to sell, it's time to set up your Etsy shop. The process is super simple, and I'll walk you through each step. Step 1. Head over to Etsy.com and click on Sell on Etsy. From here, you'll be prompted to create an account. You can sign up with your email, or if you already have a buyer account on Etsy, you can convert it to a seller account. Step 2. Next, choose a name for your shop. This is important because your shop name is part of your brand identity. Make sure it reflects what you're selling and is easy to remember. Pro tip: keep your shop name short, memorable, and relevant to your niche. If you're selling candles, for example, something like Glowhaven could work. Step 3. Set your shop's location and currency. This is especially important if you're selling to international buyers. Step 4. Now, it's time to start listing your products. Don't worry, we'll go into detail on how to create amazing listings in the next section. Your product listings are where the magic happens. This is how you showcase your items to potential buyers, so it's essential to make them as attractive and detailed as possible. Step 1. Photos. Great product photos are crucial to your success on Etsy. Customers can't touch or see the product in person, so your photos need to do the heavy lifting. Here's a tip. Use natural lighting, take clear close-up shots, and show your product from multiple angles. Also, don't forget to include lifestyle shots, photos of your product being used in real life. If you're selling jewelry, for example, show someone wearing it to help customers envision how it'll look on them. Step 2. Descriptions. Your product description should be clear, detailed, and persuasive. Highlight the materials, dimensions, and any unique features of your product. Remember, people love the story behind a handmade item, so don't be afraid to include a bit about your inspiration or process. Step 3. Tags and titles. Use relevant keywords in your title and tags to make your products easier to find in Etsy's search engine. Think like a buyer. What would someone type into the search bar to find your product? Include those keywords in your title and tags. Remember, you want your product to stand out in Etsy search results, so be strategic with your titles and tags. Include specific details like color, material, and who the product is for. One of the most common challenges for new Etsy sellers is pricing their products. You want to make sure your prices are competitive but also cover your costs and leave room for profit. Here's a simple formula you can use. Cost of materials plus time spent creating the product times 2 equals your base price. Then, factor in shipping costs, Etsy fees, and a profit margin that makes sense for your business. Don't undervalue your work. If you're selling handmade, high-quality items, people are willing to pay a fair price. Also, take a look at what similar products are priced at on Etsy to get a sense of the market. But remember, you don't always have to be the cheapest. Focus on the quality and uniqueness of your product and price accordingly. Shipping can feel intimidating, but Etsy makes it simple by offering easy-to-use shipping tools. When you set up your listings, you'll need to decide if you want to offer free shipping or charge a shipping fee. You can also buy discounted shipping labels directly through Etsy, and the platform will help you estimate shipping costs based on the weight and size of your package. It's a good idea to invest in a small scale to weigh your products, so you're not undercharging for shipping. Once your shop is live, you'll need to market it to drive traffic and attract customers. Luckily, Etsy has built-in traffic, but you can do a lot to boost your visibility. Social media. Share your products on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Visual platforms are perfect for Etsy sellers because they allow you to showcase your products in a beautiful and shareable way. Etsy Ads. Etsy offers an ad program that allows you to promote your listings on the platform. Start with a small budget and test which products perform best. Offer discounts or free shipping. Especially when you're new, offering a small discount or free shipping can encourage buyers to take the plunge. It's a great way to get your first reviews. As you start to make sales, focus on maintaining excellent customer service and building positive reviews. Good reviews will help build your reputation and lead to more sales. Once you start gaining momentum, think about scaling your business. Can you add more products to your shop? Can you offer seasonal or custom items? What are your best-selling products and how can you expand on them? Starting an Etsy shop with zero experience might seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, anyone can turn their creative passion into a thriving business. Remember, it's all about getting started, learning as you go, and enjoying the process. I hope this guide has given you the confidence and the know-how to launch your own Etsy shop today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on how to grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Etsy journey.